Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And today we're going to talk about this air duster that was sent to me by a company called Wilgoo. And I look forward to demonstrating it to you, which is even better than me giving you my unbiased opinion because you can see it in action. And I'm finding over the years these are getting smaller and in ways more powerful. And for I think most uses, I don't think you need something that's going to be one of these big air machines for the kind of needs that you might have this for. This is going to be perfect for dust and some other ways that I'm going to share with you. And it's amazing how small and yet powerful this is. And it's going for right around $40, so it won't break the bank. And I'll put my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section, and you can start seeing the reviews. But hopefully my video will be of help to you. I'll do some comparisons to this unit to some others here in the near future. What I do like, it has a few different nozzles and they easily can be interchangeable by just screwing them on. And this one is great because this can be used, as I'll share with you here in a moment, where I tested it with a keyboard. So that's fantastic as well. Also, you got your Type-C cable. You've got a small booklet, which is kind of hard to read, but you've got the information there. Again, you got the nozzle. And then even this company, which there are other kind of air duster companies that don't give you a pouch. And I think that is smart that they did that. So can't imagine it costs a whole lot of money to add one of those. So definitely to me, that's a big plus right there. And then you got the nice box. So this is a great gift for people that do work with electronics and need to dust and other ways as well. Let me share with you just some specs. So as far as the unit's 80,000 RPMs, it's got 4 adjustable gears, but it's really just, it's moving up and down the switch. I'll show you that in a minute. 4,500 milliamp battery. It does have a max power of 55 watts. Takes about 2 hours of charging time, and you're gonna get anywhere from 12 to 90 minutes approximately for usage, depending upon the speed you're using. And also, we'll talk about how fast the speed is that I was able to get out of it. So just a few specs there. You've got your charging port, your Type-C charging port there on the bottom. And this does have a silicone bottom, so that keeps it from slipping and sliding, which is good. You have your power button on and off, and then you have your nozzle speed. The one thing, as I'm thinking about this, that it doesn't have is a light. That would have been pretty cool if they would have maybe added a light, but that obviously adds to the cost, and something, as the company is watching this video, I might suggest adding on future generations a light to this. So if you're trying to get in a darker area, let's say into a computer, you really want to see what's the dust and everything, then the light may be beneficial. But otherwise, you can maybe put a headlight on, or you hold your phone use the light there. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on so you can hear how loud it gets, and there we go. So this is on low. You have to hold the power button down for just a couple of seconds. So that's on low, and then you can gradually go up with speed, and that is as loud as it gets. So even though this one is got some noise to it, it's not nearly as loud as some others. And you press it again and turns it off. So there you go. And when it's charging, by the way, it will flash red. When it's done charging, it turns solid red, and that gives you the indicator there. Now, ways I tested this. First of all, let's talk about speed. This got, which as you can see here, I got up to 60.6 miles per hour. So not bad. I have done others that have gone faster, and I know this is not perfect science, but I wanted to show you with this device that I had, the kind of power that I can put out. And again, 60.6 miles per hour should be able to help you with most needs. Now, as I mentioned, I like this nozzle for the keyboard. Somebody had just given me a keyboard as an extra one, and I said that would be perfect because my other keyboards weren't that dusty, and as you can see, it was getting dust out of the keyboard. Another way, which maybe it can be helpful too, is if you accidentally spill some liquid and you might be able to save, let's say, your keyboard, which happened to me, you can grab your air duster and get that liquid right out. So something to think about. Another way that I use this is to clean my balcony, my breezeway, where the squirrels were eating, and I'm not going to do that anymore, but I was able to use this to clean that off the balcony in breezeway. So that's another way that you can use it if you've got a lot of dust and other stuff around. Get into crevices, which is great. Again, the thin nozzle would be good for that. And then lastly, you can even use this to inflate a mattress. So if you've got this inflatable mattress, you can do this in a matter of seconds. You've got the 3 different nozzles. Depending upon, you might have a ball or something for your kids. You can use it that way too. So there's a number of different ways that you could take advantage of using this. So I think for the money, you really can't beat this. It's a great gift and so many great uses. So check it out today. If you have any questions, let me know. But to me, this is a 2 thumbs up, no doubt. But stay tuned for other comparison videos. But again, I wanted just to share with you about this air duster. I appreciate the company sending it to me. This is my go-to air duster. And as I said, what's nice is you can just fit this all right into this pouch when you're done. And you don't need to save the box, which is nice. So you've got all the different attachments, and you can even fit the instruction booklet if you want to save that too. Put the cable, although I've got so many Type-C cables, and there you go. And then you could just store this away. So, and you can, which I'll have to work on that a little bit, but that would give you an idea right there. Maybe it could go a little deeper, but still not too bad. And I think that's great. So there you go. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good one. And definitely, I would recommend this today. Take care.